Hello dear student, last time we studied the electron transfer reaction. The basic of electron transfer reaction we study. In that we study what is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, what is the redox reaction, why nucleophilic reaction occurs slowly, why redox reaction occurs fast, then what is oxidizing agent, what is reducing agent, from where the electron is transferred. In the electron transfer reaction, generally the electron transfer in coordination compound is occur through reducing agent to oxidizing agent. Then we see the two types of reaction. First is the SET. SET is nothing but the self electron transfer reaction, and second one is the cross electron transfer reaction, that is nothing but the CET. Generally the self electron transfer reaction occurs slowly while the cross electron transfer reaction occurs fast. So today we focused on the outer sphere mechanism. Generally in the electron transfer reaction there is two types of mechanism. One is outer sphere mechanism and second one is the inner sphere mechanism. General outer sphere mechanism is occurs through electron transfer through tunneling. So first of all we are focused on what is tunneling. Tunneling is occur in the quantum mechanical tunneling. When a particle, suppose this is a particle and it is transferred through in this way, and this is one wall, and that wall can act as a barrier. The particle does not jump from this wall. It should be transferred from the straight line, and when the particle is transferred by using the barrier, such a process is called as the tunneling. Means direct transfer through the barrier, it does not jump from the barrier. Okay, that overall process is called as the tunneling. So generally the outer sphere mechanism to occur, it has some conditions. Let us see the condition occurs for the outer sphere mechanism. Condition for fast outer sphere mechanism. Let us see the first condition. The complexes which is used in the outer sphere mechanism have the inertness. Okay, inertness means both complex should be inert. If it is inert, it have easy tunneling. Easy tunneling means what? Electron transfer from one complex to another complex is easily occur. What is inert? Inertness means what? If no electron in the EG set, then such a complex is called as inert complex. This is a very important key. If there is no electron in the EG set, then such a complex is called as the inert complexes. Okay, the first condition for the outer sphere mechanism is what? Both the complex should be inert. The second condition for the outer sphere mechanism is complex should be low spin. What is the second condition? Complex should be low spin and electron transfer occur from T2G to T2G. Okay, complex should be low spin. Low spin means what? You know very well that low spin complexes are strong field ligand. Low spin complexes are what? See here. Strong field ligand. Okay, and this concept of low spin, high spin, weak field ligand, strong field ligand, you are already seen in the TYBSC coordination compound theory. Okay, so the next condition for the outer sphere mechanism is what? Complex should be low spin. Low spin means what? Strong field ligand should be present in our complex. Generally, for that purpose, electron are transferred from T2G to T2G. Okay, the third condition for the outer sphere mechanism is cross reaction. Cross reaction. It involved transfer of one Eg electron. Generally, when one Eg electron get transferred, it have high activation energy. Activation energy. But when we study the change in Gibbs free energy, it always gives the negative value, which makes electron faster. Rate of reaction fast. This delta G value, if we have negative value of change in Gibbs free energy, it will increase the rate of the cross reaction, and this happen when one electron get transferred, and it gives high activation energy. So let us see why this is happening. So we study the plot of reaction coordinate versus delta G for the self electron transfer reaction. In this particular graph, we see that a reactant is converted into a product via a transition state. See here, in this particular case, the delta G difference is very small while the activation energy is maximum. So let us focus on CET. Here also we are plot a graph of reaction coordinate versus delta G. Again here reactant get converted into product via a transition state. But in this particular case, delta G value is maximum as compared to that of the set. Okay. So as we know that as delta G value get increases towards negative, and that particular compound requires the higher energy, then this particular product is thermodynamically more stable. Okay. So this reaction is fastly occur due to more stability of the thermodynamics. So in this particular case, in outer sphere mechanism, the reaction which is occurs through cross electron transfer, you know very well that cross electron transfer reaction means what? The metal ion of the two complex are of the two coordination complex are the different, while in the self electron transfer reaction the metal ion which is present in the two coordination compound are same. So the set reaction occurs slowly while the cross electron transfer reaction occurs fast. Why it is so? Because cross electron transfer reaction, the product generated is thermodynamically more stable. The next condition for the outer sphere mechanism occurs fast is what? Complex with pi acceptor ligand generally show high reaction rate. Pi 2, the order for this is what? Pi star, showing the high reaction rate. Next is non-bonding to non-bonding. Next is sigma to sigma star. Okay, and last is T2G to sigma star. So student, pi to pi star is Walker very the ligand which shows the pi to pi transition shows the high reaction rate. Why it is so? Because you know very well that in the multiple bond this type of transition is occur, and for example carbonyl, then NO, then N2, this type of ligand shows the multiple nature. So the multiple bond carry the pi to pi star transition, and that particular pi to pi star transition is occurs. Why? Because the pi star having the vacant orbital in that, and therefore it can easily accept the electron from the metal ion, and again it shows the transfer of electron from pi to pi, and this shifting of electron is easily occur, therefore it shows the high reaction rate as compared to the other type of transition. Let us move. Second transition is what? Non-bonding to non-bonding transition. Generally this type of transition is occur for the iron complexes. In that particular case there is transfer of electron occurs through T2G to T2G. Here also the rate of reaction is very fast, but it is not faster than that of the pi to pi star transition. Next is what? Sigma to sigma star. Generally in this particular transition chromium complexes are involved, and in this transition transfer of electron occurs to Eg to Eg star. Okay, so this rate of the particular reaction is less than that of the non-bonding to non-bonding, and the last one is the T2G to sigma star or Eg star. This type of transition of the complex having the cobalt. So this is a key information that can, this is a key information regarding to the outer sphere mechanism. If do you have any question regarding this topic, show the rate of reaction of the two complexes. Two complexes are provided in your exam, and they can ask a question on this particular topic is what? Which complex shows the high rate? Then you can use this type of information. This information is very important to finding out which complex is showing the higher rate of reaction. Last condition for the outer sphere mechanism is spin allowed transition. If your complex showing the spin allowness, then it shows the high rate. The detailed information which complex shows the spin allowed, which complex is the spin forbidden, is discussed in the UV spectroscopy, and this concept is already done by you in the TYBSc chemistry. If do you have any problem regarding to this topic, you can see the UV spectroscopy topic. Okay, so student, in today's lecture we see the outer sphere mechanism is occurs through tunneling. It has some condition to occurs the fast outer sphere mechanism. First condition is complex is inert. Second condition is what? Complex should be low spin. Third condition is cross reaction, and the fourth one is the pi acceptor ligand should be there in your complex to occur the rate faster, and the last condition is what? Complex should be spin allowed. So you should keep in mind these 5 conditions while you are solving the problem regarding to the outer sphere mechanism. Thank you.